Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is log of x to base 2 plus log of x to base 3 is equals to 5 to find the values of x. In the first step, as you know, if we have log of a to base b, we can write this as log of a over log of b. So, from this formula, in here we can write this as log of x over log of 2. And also for this, we can write log of x over log of 3 is equals to 5. So, in here, log of x is common, so you factor log x, and this divided by log x, it will be 1 over log 2, and this divided by log x, it will be 1 over log 3 is equals to 5. And in next step, we have log x times, from these two fractions, we take common denominator, so it will be log 2 times log 3. And for this fraction, we multiply this denominator by log 3, and we multiply this numerator by log 3, so it will be 1 times log 3 is log 3. And plus, also for this fraction, we multiply this denominator by log 2. So we multiply this numerator by log 2, and it will be 1 times log 2 is log 2 is equals to 5. And in next step, we multiply both sides of the equation by log 2 times log 3 over log 3 plus log 2. So we write, we have log x times log 3 plus log 2 over log 2 times log 3, and we multiply by log 2 times log 3 over log 3 plus log 2. And so for this side, we multiply this by 5 times log 2 times log 3 and over log 3 plus log 2. So, in here we multiply both sides of the equation by this. So, in here, this will cancel this, and this will cancel this, and it will be log x is equals to, in here we have 5 times log 2 times log 3 over log 3 plus log 2. And from log rules, in here, if we have log a plus log b, we can write this as log a times b. So, in here, we can write log x is equals to 5 times log 2 times log 3 over log 3 plus log 2. We can write log 3 times 2, and it will be log 6. In next step, we're going to have two methods here. If we solve from first method, we write first method. In here we have log x is equals to 5 times log 2 times log 3 over log 6. And for first method, we divide both sides of the equation by log 3. So, we divide by log 3, and in here it will be log x over log 3 is equals to, and here this divided by log 3, it will be 5 times log 2 times log 3, and log 6 we divide by log 3, it will be times log 3, right? So in here, this will cancel this, and we have log x over log 3. And from here, from this formula, if we have log a over log b, we can write log a to base b. So in here, we write this as log x to base 3 is equals to, in here we have 5 times log 2 over log 6, and we can write log 2 to base 6, right? So in next step, from log rules, if we have log a to base b is equals to c, from here a is equals to b to power of c. So in here, from this formula, a is x, so x a is equals to b to power of c. b is 3, and to power of c, c is 5 log 2 to base 6, right? And in here, from exponential rule, if we have a to power of b times c, we can write this as a to power of b to power of c, right? So in here we can write x is equals to 3 to power of 5 and to power of log 2 to base 6. And from here, x is equals to 3 to power of 5 is 243 to power of log 2 to base 6. So from first method, x is equals to 243 to power of log 2 to base 6. So in next step, we solve from second method. So second method. From here, we have log x is equals to 5 times log 2 times log 3 over log 6. So we write log x is equals to 5 times log 2 times log 3 over log 6. In here, for second method, we divide both of this equation by log 2. So from first method, we divide both of this equation by log 3, and for second method, we divide both of this equation by log 2. So we divide by log 2, and it will be log x over log 2 is equals to, and here this divided by log 2, it will be 5 times log 2 times log 3 over log 6 times log 2. Log 2 will cancel this log 2, and in here it will be log x to base 2 is equals to 5 times log 3 over log 6. We can write log 3 to base 6. And from log rules, in here, we write this. If we have log a to base b is equals to c, a is equals to b to power of c. So in here, x is equals to b is 2 to power of 5 times log 3 to base 6. And we can write this as x is equals to 2 to power of 5 to power of log 3 to base 6. And it will be x is equals to 2 to power of 5 is 32 to power of log 3 to base 6. So from second method, x is 32 to power of log 3 to base 6. And from first method, x is 243 to power of log 2 to base 6. And we can write in here, x is equals to this and is equals to 243 to power of log 2 to base 6. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.